Here's the butterfly knife I recently bought. It's not necessarily like very good quality, but you know, it works. I'm just happy to have a butterfly knife. So, I do know a couple tricks. They're very basic. And so, here's a basic opening. And basic close is pretty much the same thing.
Fallen. They're invading the Hellmouth.
And let's see, here's a basic twirl. Oh. Put you in the reverse grip like you're ready to stab someone. So yeah, the basic open is used by the spy when he pulls out the knife in Team Fortress 2. So and then the basic twirl was used by the spy in the Team Fortress 2 trailer, where he does the basic twirl, which, you know, brings into the reverse grip, and then he stabs the sniper. So here's, here it is. It's not very easy to get when you just got a butterfly knife. So let me try this again.
Don't cut your hand open, maggot.
I'm not gonna cut my hand open. I'm handling the safe handle, so I know I'm not gonna cut myself. So yeah, once again, the basic twirl. You kind of hold it. I think it might be easier if you have your index finger out. Alright, so here's how you do them. So to do the basic opening, you gotta handle the safe handle. The safe handle is the one where the one that the not sharp edge closes on. And so when you're handling the safe handle and it goes down on your handle like that, it's not going to cut you. And the bite handle, well, pretty obvious which one's the bite handle. It's the other one. It's the one that the cutting edge closes on. And usually the bite handle has the this little dangly part here. I keep forgetting what it's called. The latch, that's right. Usually the bite handle has the latch, but on some like extremely cheap butterfly knives, you'll find them on the safe handle. So, to do the basic opening, you handle the safe handle, then you flip it so it's on the other side of your hand, and then you kind of slide it so that it's spun around, and then you flip it again, and then you just flip it afterward, and that's the basic opening. So let me show that to you. Flip, flip, flip. And to do the basic closing, It's basically the same thing in reverse. You let the safe, you let the blade, you know, on the non-cutting end, yeah, the non-sharp end of the blade, you know, fall on your hand.
As crazy as we are.
You know, you flip it onto your hand, and then you kind of turn it and then flip it again, and you just flip it one more time, and that's basic closing. Now as for the basic twirl, you gotta kind of hold it like this. So you're handling it by the bite handle, and then you flip it. One thing is important is that you put your index finger on the safe handle here, you know, and it's best if you do it while you're flipping the bite handle over your hand. Although you can do it right afterward, but it looks more fluid. And then you flip it again, so that it kind of dangles on your finger, and then you use your thumb. Yeah. And then, and then you use your thumb, flip it again, adjust your hand so that you grab the bite handle, and then it's in reverse grip, and you're ready, you know, to backstab an enemy like the spy. I'm running out of time because Nintendo 3DS allows only a limited amount of time to record. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you get your own butterfly knife, there's a lot of tutorials you can look for on YouTube that teaches you all these tricks. So yeah, have a good day.